All right, we on another roof. We got a couple of missing shingles. Ashton's taking them off now. Take the nails out of the top shingle. You slide this other tab in there, and then you nail it. Looking good. We got that one. We got to replace a couple of ridge shingles there. How to install missing shingles. You got to hit them with that 1-2 Chris combo, baby.
Okay.
Pretty cold here. Oh yes, there you go. Raise up this shingle. Here you go, boys, and you seal it up. And that is how you install a missing shingle. Job done. A couple more to go. Well, that's how you do it, boys. Off to the next one.